Okay, y'all, grab your popcorn, because things just got very real in the Diddy legal drama. And guess who just entered the courtroom chat? Brian Steele. Yep, the same heavy-hitter lawyer who's been fighting tooth and nail for Young Thug in that wild RICO case. Let's break it down, because this move ain't just some legal shuffle, it's a full-on power play. Diddy is lawyering up like his entire empire depends on it, because let's be honest, it kinda does. So, who is Brian Steele? You've probably heard the name if you've been following the Young Thug RICO circus. Steele's the guy who helped negotiate a plea deal with no extra jail time. That's right, probation. No orange jumpsuit. And apparently, that level of courtroom magic caught Diddy's attention real quick. Now TMZ is reporting that Diddy brought Brian Steele in as a key player. And y'all, this man doesn't play second fiddle to anybody. That means he's not just some background figure. He's stepping in to lead, strategize, and probably shake up that courtroom with some serious RICO defense smoke. But here's where it gets messy. Remember when it came out that Diddy's team was actively looking for a black female attorney? Yeah, that was part strategy, part optics, especially since some of the accusers are black women. And according to TMZ, ever since that news dropped, resumes have been flooding in from qualified, badass black female lawyers. So where's the hire? We're still waiting. But insiders say the team is still recruiting, and the search is ongoing. Let's talk about the squad Diddy has assembled so far. This legal team is starting to look like the Justice League of high-profile attorneys. Check it out. Mark Geragos, celebrity defense GOAT. Think Chris Brown, Winona Ryder, and even Michael Jackson. Tenny Geragos, Mark's daughter and law partner. Legal talent clearly runs in the fam. Mark Agnifilo, former federal prosecutor. Real serious white-collar energy. And now, Brian Steele, the RICO ninja himself. This isn't just a defense team. It's a legal supergroup. But here's the tea. TMZ also says this could turn into a classic case of too many cooks in the courtroom. It's called trial by committee, where everyone wants to lead, and suddenly your whole case starts looking like a hot mess. Harvey Levin, TMZ's head honcho and a lawyer, brought up the O.J. Simpson trial as the only time this many legal egos worked, and only because Johnny Cochran was the clear captain of that ship. In Diddy's case, no one's sure who's in charge. And that, my friends, is risky AF. Diddy's clearly not trying to settle. Nope, he's going all in on beating these charges. And bringing in Brian Steele signals one thing. He's stacking his deck with RICO pros, federal trial veterans, and people who know how to control the courtroom narrative. And yes, visuals matter. This is a high-profile case involving race, gender, power, and money. So expect that team to keep evolving as the stakes get higher. Fans are side-eyeing the sudden switch to Brian Steele, especially after the black female attorney talk. But hey, when your freedom is on the line, PR can take a backseat to cold, hard legal muscle. And Diddy's clearly betting on results, not just headlines. What do y'all think? Is Diddy's legal dream team a masterstroke or a disaster waiting to happen? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications, because this case is just getting started. And baby, it's gonna be a show.